Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Learn and Grow YouTube channel. It's meant for you so that you are guided if you are a new starter of any organization, you are studying human resource management, or likewise your roles are varied. To get an update about the channel updates and the new videos, Learn and Grow YouTube channel, you need to please subscribe it, share with your colleagues and with your friends, like it as well as share your comments so that I know that how you are feeling about the channel and which videos you want me to put up in the coming days. As I promised with you in my last webinar, those who have attended it as well as those who had been following my channel, in my previous video which I posted related to human resource management, I promised that I am going to start up with the series pertaining to the HR. Now the first one is the HR business partner. It means the role of HR as business partner will be emphasized in this video. You will be able to understand the key roles and responsibilities. Again, once I request you to please subscribe the channel Learn and Grow, share it, like it and comment. Now let's start with the contents. The first point which we will be discussing is Dave's HR model. Then who is the HR business partner? Role and responsibilities of the human resource business partner. And last but not least, we will see that how does HR business partner work. Let's see modern human resources. What are the changes? So you from here only you would be able to understand its role in a better way. Now, being a human resource business partner, that is commonly known as HR business partner or HRBP, you become employees advocate. You speak for the people who have joined the organization, are working for it. You are a leading change agent. Those changes which are taking place in the environment, in the culture, as well as within the organization, you need to focus and lead those changes for better understanding. Likewise, you become HR process expert. Talent acquisition becomes your priority. Engagement of people through different activities like sports activities, quizzes, employee surveys, likewise. Performance has to be prioritized. Inspiration has to be created, initiated by you. Rumors are to be addressed in a very aggressive way because these are the factors in rumors spoil the brand, the image of the organization. Collaboration is to be focused, competitive advantage has to be looked into. Ideas should be shared. The workplace should be fun loving. People should feel that we are working in our home. As the employees obviously come from the culture, so the organization needs to have a setup where you create such an environment which is fun loving, one feels at home, and work life balance is there. So you become a brand ambassador in a way. Training and development, learning and development is to be focused, leadership is to be adhered, administration should be influencing others, influencing in a very friendly and nice manner where people feel valued and taken care. So this is the modern human resources. I think it is clear to you that what the role of HR business partner becomes. So what happens now? We will speak about Dave's HR model. He says that HR business partner is a change agent, administration expert, and employee champion. So, as a business partner, he is the HR front office employee who acts as a salesperson for internal and external clients of human resources. The HRBP deals with HR back office and HR centers of excellence. So, it means that the role is no more at the back end or the back of the house, it comes in front, and the person is likely a salesperson. Internal and external clients. Let me clarify these two terms for those who are not very clear on it. Internal employees are the clients who work with the organization, and external are those who are the third party influencers who interact with you somehow or the other. They can be organizations, other organizations, and the institutes from where you hire the talent. Likewise, the other roles are from the point of view of the vendors through which you work. The administration expert is the widely recognized expert in the area of human resources management and runs effective HR processes. Change agent is the one who participates in the company wide for the wide projects which affect employees and they change the corporate culture. The change agent leads the change management processes. Employee champion, how the person becomes and takes over this role is he protects the rights and interests of the employees in discussions with the top management. HR introduces policies and procedures which build the attractive and fair workplace for the people who are working there from top to bottom, no matter whatever the designation per person is carries. So who is the HR business partner? Let's see the roles and responsibilities. The key roles is acting as a single point of contact for internal clients. Those are the employees. Key responsibilities, setting challenges and challenging HR goals with a close cooperation with the HR and internal clients, the employees, supporting internal clients in achieving and acquiring their business goals, selling HR projects and initiatives to internal clients and getting their buy-in. Buy-in means that they support them. Helping to HR goes to deliver state-of-the-art HR processes, acting as the project manager for large cross-functional change management projects, providing instant and immediate feedback on all HR processes, procedures, and initiatives, developing succession plans, and manage the performance management cycle for internal clients. Performance management, I'm going to come up a complete lecture on it very soon. This is the key area where we have to emphasize that what kind of a career pathing a person has who has joined the organization. He has joined at the initial stage. So after 5 years, what will be his worth, where he will be standing, what will be his career. Leading change management projects for internal clients and human resources, being the contributing team member of HR, designing robust succession pipelines and supporting the talent management for the entire organization, designing cross-functional development programs in cooperation with training specialists. T&D or L&D work a lot in it. They come to know from the behavioral activities from where they can understand and the core values, implementing them, that how people are responding to it and what do they want actually. Designing robot succession pipelines will help. Acting as the independent advisor for employees in tough situations, keeping HR processes in full compliance with the legal and regulatory internal and external framework. So these are the key responsibilities as HR business partner. Now, how does the HR business partner works actually? So here it is how it goes. It deals with the executives, managers and employees, HR back office, then HR center of excellence has been established. So this is how the HR business partner work. The main and very important is the HR center of excellence, depending upon four focused core areas: talent development, HR reporting, talent acquisition, compensation and benefits. Talent development will obviously be done through the teams of learning and development, which we also call training and development. HR reporting systems, whether you are using data analytics or some core practices. Talent acquisition, acquiring the best talent present in the market. Compensation and benefits will be looked into through market salaries to be allocated and through the market surveys, salary surveys, etc., to get the best talent and then retain them, not to let them leave the organization. More to come in the next video. Please learn and grow YouTube channel is to be subscribed by you. Share it with your friends and colleagues. Like and comment. In my next video, I am going to talk more about it. I'm sure it will help you understand in a big way. About our channel, Learn and Grow is a YouTube channel obviously covering many HR related topics including HR management, its practices, HR strategy, HR models, HR business partnering models, HR processes, HR development, which includes learning and development, that is L&D, and training and development also, organizational design, KPIs, and much more by certified specialists and experts. To stay updated about the latest videos, please subscribe the channel, share it and like it, and share your comments. Sure, you are going to get benefited out of it. You will share it with your friends and colleagues also. Keep watching. Many thanks for subscribing it. I am going to come up very soon with the next video. Please wait for it. See you in my next video. Take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.